Running a car dealership means juggling multiple tasks, managing leads, scheduling test drives, and following up with potential buyers. It's easy for things to slip through the cracks, costing you valuable sales opportunities. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for car dealerships. This solution automates your lead management, streamlines customer follow-ups, and keeps your team focused on closing deals. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from multiple sources like your website, ads, and social media, and organizes them in the GHL CRM. 2. You'll never lose track of a potential buyer. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. As soon as a lead comes in, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email to keep them engaged and move them closer to booking a test drive or consultation. 5. Appointment scheduling. 6. With an integrated booking system, customers can schedule test drives or dealership visits directly from their phones, making it convenient and hassle-free. 7. Automated reminders. 8. The system sends reminders for scheduled test drives and follow-ups, ensuring customers show up and stay engaged throughout the process. 9. Post-sale engagement. 10. After a sale, the system follows up to gather feedback, promote service packages, and encourage referrals to keep your dealership top of mind. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, improve customer satisfaction, and help you close more deals. With automated lead capture, follow-ups, scheduling, and engagement, you'll have everything you need to streamline your dealership operations. Ready to transform your car dealership? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait, boost your leads and grow your sales now.